It's incredible, isn't it, how some of the most simplest things are often the most effective. Hello again and welcome back to my channel. Now, if you are a regular follower of the channel, you know I have embarked on my big adventure of building my own workshop, particularly in my own modular design. Now, big job has broken out this week and I have commenced building the wall panels for the workshop. It does involve insulating them and I'm using 25mm Celotex insulation. Now, I ran into a problem and I'm trying to get this as time efficient as possible. So as you can see, I did cut the actual Celotex nice and snug, but trying to actually slot it into the panel itself became problematic because I was trying to push it down one side and it was coming up on the other. I was trying to tap it down, as you can see. So I took it out and then I'm thinking this isn't going to work because I've got over 16 of these things to do and it's going to take me forever anyway. So I started thinking about what could I do to improve it, and a little simple solution which involves just some any odds and sods pieces of scrap wood. And then I got a piece of OSB and I measured perfectly 25mm. Okay, and just a little demonstration now as to how it works. I just placed a little jig over the side of the frame and then get a bit of super glue on the back of the scrap wood and a bit of activator, and then hold it tight for a few seconds, and bingo, we've got 4 of our little jigs around the side. And when it comes to actually slotting the insulation panel in, it becomes an absolute breeze. A couple of taps of the rubber mallet and we're done, ready for taping. I've not done a one-handed woodworking tips video for quite a long time, and I thought just I'd share this little short quick tip with you all, and I hope you enjoyed it. Okay, take care everyone, look after yourselves. I'll keep you updated with the build as we go along and I'll see you soon. Thanks very much.